welcome back to my channel. Today I am back with one more of my rice cooker recipes. This time it is chole pulao in the rice cooker. A very flavorful Indian rice recipe which is a must try in your kitchen. So let's look into the ingredient list now. My first ingredient is of course chana or chole, and what I have done is I've soaked 1 cup of chole and then boiled it, and this is what we need for the recipe. You can also use a chickpea can instead. Next I have 2 cups of rice, basmati rice, which I've washed thoroughly and then drained it. 1 big onion finely sliced, 2 tomatoes chopped, 1 tablespoon of ginger paste, 1 tablespoon of garlic paste. For the spices today I have 2 star anise, 4 cloves, 4 cardamoms and 2 small sticks of cinnamon, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder and some salt, of course according to taste. 3 tablespoons of biryani masala. You can take any biryani masala brand of your choice. 1 cup of fried onions, 1 potato which I have diced into small cubes like this and then fried it, and some coriander leaves finely chopped. This is mainly for the garnish. And here I have some saffron color. This is completely optional. Today I'll be preparing my chole pulao in a rice cooker. So without any delays, let's start. My pot is hot and to it I'm going to add in around 3 tablespoons of white oil. I'm just eyeballing it. Once the oil starts heating up, I'm going to add in the star anise, cloves, cardamoms and cinnamon sticks. Give a quick stir and I'll add in the chopped or sliced onions at this point. After adding the onions, give a quick mix again and we'll cover this and cook it for approximately a minute or 2. It's been 2 minutes now, and as you can see the onions have started changing its color. At this point I'm going to add in the ginger paste along with the garlic paste. Give it a quick stir and cook it for another minute. Don't forget to put on the lid. It's been another minute now. After stirring one more time, I'm going to add in the chopped tomatoes along with the dry spices, that is salt, of course according to taste, red chili powder and turmeric powder. Do keep in mind some of the biryani masalas have salt in it, so adjust it accordingly. The one I am using today has quite a bit of salt, so I just added a very little amount. After giving a thorough mix, I am going to again cover it and cook for at least 4 to 5 minutes till the tomatoes soften down. It's been about 5 minutes now and I had stirred in between quite a few times. Give a quick mix and I'm going to add in the boiled chickpeas. If you are using a canned chickpea, you don't need to boil because it is already done. Mix it well with the spices. Next I'm going to add in the biryani masala and the washed rice. After adding the rice, give a good mix. And after mixing it well, I'm going to again cover it and cook it for 2 minutes before I add in the water to it. It's been 2 minutes now, and next I'm going to add in the pre-measured water to it. For 2 cups of rice, I need exactly 4 cups of water. And the extra 1/4 cup which I usually add when I'm cooking in a rice cooker. Mix it well. I'll also add in the fried potatoes at this moment. If you want, along with it, add some fried cottage cheese or paneer. And I'm going to cover it again and cook it till it is 90% done. It's been about 7 minutes now and you can see the water has all disappeared almost. It's more or less 90% cooked. At this point I'm going to add in the fried onions on top along with the chopped coriander leaves and the food coloring. This is completely optional. and I'm going to cover it and let it sit for 5 minutes. Of course, I'll switch off the rice cooker at this point and allow it to sit for 5 minutes before I serve the chane pulao or chole pulao. After 5 minutes, you can see how the grains of rice have fluffed up, and now I'm going to serve it. My chole pulao is ready. You can have it as it is, or it can be served with some raita. My chole pulao is ready, and friends, you just saw how quick and easy it is to prepare in a rice cooker. Don't worry if you don't have a rice cooker. I do have a recipe how you can prepare chole pulao in a pan. Do click on the above link to see the recipe, or I'll add one in the description box below. And on that note, I'm going to end this video here. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you for watching.